Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today, this is comfort food. Oh, this warms a Southern boy's heart. Let me tell you something. Today, we've pulled a cast iron back out. We got the smaller pot, but we're gonna make vegetable soup and beef all in the same pot. And let me tell you something, this is good. This is good stuff. It's easy to put together. If you want to cook and cut the ingredients down and do it on your stove, okay. But let me tell you, cast iron just seems to make it that much better. I don't know what it is. It's just cooking in cast iron. For you Southern boys, I've got something. If you'll wait till the end, the last ingredient is something you're gonna know about. You will not believe how much difference it makes in this. For you Yankees, I'm sorry, you're probably not gonna know what it is, and it's okay. If you find out what it is and you can get it where you live, you might wanna try it. So, till we get this cranked off, y'all hang tight. Okay, well, I'm using my cast iron, as we said. I've got, right now, a gallon of water in the bottom of it, and I'm gonna put some stock in it. Now, I kinda got a head start on this. Last night, I did a couple of chuck roasts. Guess what? That was what was on sale this weekend. That's what we could get. So we're gonna use chuck roast. That's good enough. I love chuck roast in a good vegetable soup. So let's get our burner fired up and get the heat rocking and rolling. Let's see if we can get this fire going. I believe we can. Oh yeah. And we'll let her do her thing. Let's see if we can get it up to a boil. And when we do, we'll bring you back. Okay. You see we've got it to a rolling boil. And let's start putting our stuff in. All right. So, first thing I'm gonna put in is our tomatoes. That's diced. And in this, I'm putting a big can and also a small can. Can't have too much tomatoes. Not in this. All right. This is tomatoes and okra. You gotta have okra. Oh, that's good stuff. All right. And then let's go ahead and add just straight up. I like okra, so let's add it. And I'm gonna tell you, I've been playing with these frozen vegetables, and they do a pretty daggum good job putting these vegetables up. They're like fresh out of the field and then flash frozen. All right, there's my onions. Yeah, no, I cheated. I didn't cut the onions up. This is that's a pound of onions. I don't know exactly what that would go out to be. And also, to start with, you gotta have them. I'm putting carrots in. Let them cook down. Now, that's already in my broth. I don't have the roast in it yet. And there's several other things I'm going to put in it, but it's a little early. So what we're going to do is we're going to stir this part up and let these onions and the okra and now any of this you don't like, guess what you do? You leave it out, right? That's what you're supposed to do. Just leave it out. So that's this. You make it your own. You do exactly what you want in your vegetable soup. So we're going to let that come back up to a boil and cook for a little bit, and then we'll bring you back. Okay, I've got a little bit of celery. I've cut up some bell peppers, and I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Okay, as I said, last night I cooked some chuck roast, actually on the pit barrel. And this has had all night. In fact, it spent the night in the refrigerator to rest.
You put a mat in?
I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it into chunks.
Can I be in?
Like this.
They smell so delicious. I want to try one.
You want to try Papa's roast?
Yeah. It smells so delicious.
Well, let's come go in the soup.
Can I just try one piece?
All right. There.
Thank you.
All right. We're going to put this in the bag for right now. And let me cut the other one up, and then I'll bring you back and we'll show you what's next. Okay, we've been simmering, I don't know, 30, 45 minutes. And I'm going to start putting some of the seasoning in. And I know this looks like a lot, but there's hardly going in. That's Worcestershire sauce. I would say maybe a tablespoon and a half. I doubt 2. This is garlic powder. That's about a tablespoon. This is onion powder. And we're going to do about the same onion powder. We're going to do about a tablespoon.
Need more?
And let's see.
Can I have another? Can I do it?
Can you do it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, this is thyme. We're going to put thyme in, and we're going to only use probably about, about that much. All right, throw it in. There you go. These are parsley flakes.
And these are my potions.
And we're going to put about that much parsley in. There you go. This is one of Papa's favorites. This is black pepper. And
That's how much black pepper you can have.
we didn't have much in that container. All right, go ahead. There you go. All right. All right, stir it up.
This is the potion.
All right, that's fine. There you go.
I'm your little helper.
You are. You're a good helper. All right. We're going to dump all of that meat in there. All right, guess what we have to do now?
What? Mix it.
We have to stir it up again.
My post
Oh, this is gonna be good soup.
for the grown-ups.
It is. Probably for the children too. I bet the children are gonna like this. All right. Now, couple of more things.
Wait, is this? What is this for? Treat or supper? What's that? Can I do it?
This is butter beans.
Can I do it?
You can do it. Go, no, just pour them in. Just hold the bag, be careful. And pour them in. Those are butter beans. Go ahead, pour them in. Pour them all. There you go. Put them all in.
I put them all the way.
You did a good job.
Can I do these?
All right, those are green. Yeah, pour them all. Those are green beans. Pour all the green beans in.
I already did. Can I do
And I got one more bag. Pour those in there.
Stick it out. Now we have to mix it.
Now we have to mix it. Have to stir the pot.
Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here.
Stir and stir.
This is a lot of stuff.
All
That's in my
right, let me
potion.
help you. Let me help you, because it is.
That's in my potion, and there's a lot of stuff.
That's a lot of stuff.
This is my potion. Is your video going?
It is.
This is my big potion.
All right.
This is my big potion. Can I do this?
You can.
Thank you. This is our secret.
All right, here. Put all that in there.
All right.
Is that all of it? Bang it on the side. Make sure you get it all. Bang it on the side of the pot. Look, like this. You go. See, and that got it all.
Yay! I want to do the next. Can I do
So you can stir,
Is it,
and then
I want to do
so
the
we'll
last
bring you back
ingredients.
when we're ready at that point.
Can I do the last?
Okay, well, this is just about done. And I hope you can see down in here, because let me tell you, this is what my vegetable soup looks like. And I'm gonna put it in several containers. And tomorrow, after this has a chance to all of the flavors to kind of congeal together. Oh my goodness. This is good stuff. It's fit to eat now. But I said at the beginning of the video that I was going to do something for the southern folks that Yankees not need to hang around, that they didn't know what this was. And this is the last thing I'm going to stick in here. So if you hung around for the last part of this, you're going to find out a little southern something or another that we're going to put in
Can I
here.
put it in?
And this is going to be,
Can I pour it in?
this is greens. Step back over here, baby.
Can I pour it in, Papa?
What, baby?
Can I put it in?
This is a little sticky for you to put in. This is collard greens. Papa's gonna put collard greens back on around You're standing between the camera and the pot, baby. You are. See? All right. And this is something goes in vegetable soup down here. A lot of folks, if they got it, will stick it in the soup, in the vegetable soup. And oh my goodness, does this make a difference?
It's very
Yes.
yummy.
It's good stuff. And you see, I'm gonna take
I wanna
this
burn
vegetables and all this stuff in here. And look at that. I'm gonna stir this collard greens in here.
it too.
And they're already cooked. This is canned stuff. And it's cooked in here.
And he
And
also
oh
likes
my
her-
goodness. All right, I got my greens stirred in there. I'm gonna let it simmer for just a little bit, and then we're gonna take it off. And when we do, I'll bring you back. Well, only one thing left to do with this is try it. Wish you were here. Oh my goodness. I know, I say it all the time. The beef, the vegetables, you cornbread fed boys, these collard greens in here, they don't go to the next level, they go 3 levels up. It just adds something to vegetable soup. I don't know why. I'm sorry. The meat is tender as it can be. All these vegetables and flavors have gone together. Believe it or not, this is going to be better tomorrow than it is today. And it's pretty doggone good right now. Thanks for hanging around. If you haven't already, this circle on this side, hit that circle. Subscribe to us. See what we're doing. You never know what's going to come up this winter. This side over here, we'll have another video. Until the next time, hang tight.